Disneyland is an iconic place. There are only a few Disney resorts in the world. There is one in California, Florida, Japan, France, and Hong Kong. The one in Florida was the largest. Kids, teens, and adults all like Disneyland. There is something at Disneyland for everyone, which is like any other amusement park. Sunny had never been to Disneyland. She remembered when everyone was talking about Disneyland in her second grade. They were talking about the rides, fireworks, and scenery there. Sunny felt so left out of the conversation. Her parents never took her because it was too expensive. One time, her friend invited her to go, but Sunny did not want to spend so much money at one time. Now Sunny was 18 and had a job as a cashier. She wasn't making a lot, but she saved just over $800 in her bank account. Sunny invited her closest friends to go to Disneyland with her. They went on a Thursday, so the lines were shorter. Sunny immediately fell in love with Disneyland. It was a dream that came true. It was everything her friends said it would be. Sunny went on almost all the rides and took pictures with all the Disney mascots. At the end of the day, she and her friends watched the fireworks.